The first thing I want to talk about is Run Like the Wind, which is coming up the Sunday after Mother's Day, May 20th. It is the 35-year-old race, 5K, 10K race that was founded in, I guess, 83, right? 83, and Elliot was part of that. I think, TJ, were you part of that original?
Mostly Robert. I ran for a while.
So it is one of the oldest foot races in the Hudson Valley. Jamie and I took over the race 3 years ago. We added beer, we added barbecue, we added a few runners, lots of prizes, cash prizes. That race is Sunday, May 20th. I'm looking for volunteers to help tomorrow or on race day. We need a lot of things done still. A lot of things need to get tied up and done. One of the biggest things is, of course, we're looking for more sponsors. If you usually get a sponsor letter and I missed you, that's because I've been overwhelmed and I haven't been able to get to you, so I will be getting to you. But if anybody has any spare time to offer, even if it's 1 hour, 2 hours, to help me tie up some loose ends, that would be fantastic. If you want to volunteer in intersections, see TJ. TJ was the one who's taking care of that. We need, because there's a 5K and a 10K, there needs to be a person in every intersection pointing the runners in the right direction. When runners are running that fast, sometimes they'll miss 5 foot long, big arrows. So you need somebody standing there pointing them in one direction. And you have to keep the cars out of the intersection. So if anybody wants to volunteer to do that, that's a very easy job. It's a 5K walk, which means anybody can basically walk this. It's very easy. It's a 5K fitness walk. There's a 5K run and then a 10K run. And afterwards is pizza, pasta, barbecue, and we have a craft beer and wine tent here in the parking lot and in the back garden. We have some outrageous beer sponsors. We have Equilibrium coming, Penning Cider's coming, Schmaltz is coming, Crossroads. There's about 6 or 7 Great Life Brewing, 6 or 7 beer sponsors, so there's plenty of beer that day. Wine is coming. If you're not a runner and you're not a volunteer, you can still show up to eat. I think, how much is it to eat, Jamie? $5 for food or $5 for beer or $10 for both, and that's a donation. All the money stays local. Jamie and I distribute that throughout the course of the year. It goes to the Little League, goes to nursery school, Shadowland Academy, someone to this year, absolutely. We do a scholarship at school for a sports scholarship. We have a lot of applicants this year, which is great. So we have a separate committee that does that. Rob Baxter and Wayne Story pick the scholarship winners. So if anybody can help, donate, add the insight, that would be fantastic. We'd appreciate it. If you even could just share what's posted. I hope all of you are members of Ellenville Warsing What to Do on Facebook. That's where a lot of people post community events. We posted it there, or Ellenville Run Like the Wind on Facebook or the website. If you can share and post away and even get a couple more runners here, that's very much appreciated.